Hello. After concepts that we have learned in the previous chapter, we're going to learn how to work with Simulink in this second chapter. Here we review the contents as they are. First, how to call Simulink, and then we have elements and elements library in Simulink. Third, we are going to create a simple model in the Simulink environment. Next, we are going to implement it and discuss on how to save it. Next, we are going to learn some points about Simulink help, and in that part we are going to learn calling ready models. Actually, they are very applicative too. And last, we are going to actually explain several different examples in Simulink. As you know, Simulink is a part of MATLAB, so if you're going to use Simulink, you should have MATLAB in your system. The version I have here, the version of MATLAB that I have here is 2014b. Just I want to let you know that in any version of MATLAB, the Simulink is available, but there might be some changes in the tool, and that's because of this fact. The MATLAB offers in the new versions in each year, and in each version you might have some changes, and also in Simulink we will have some changes too. There might be some changes in it, whether in blocks or some other parts. For example, we may have some general changes, as in 2016, that we have a completely different environment. Here, in order to start the Simulink window, first you can click on this icon here that we have it, Simulink library. Here I click on it. As you can see, this is the window of Simulink, and it is the primary page of Simulink. As we see here, it's Simulink library browser. The second way to have the Simulink window is typing it. Here I type Simulink, click on enter, and as you can see here, we have the Simulink library browser, or the Simulink window and its tools and blocks.